Hey guys, we are back with another video at RMH RV Parts. We are located in Rocky Mountain House, Alberta, and it's freaking minus 35 right now, as you can see here. So we have here our BE 2800 watts generator that we just got in recently from BE. We are an authorized BE dealer. BE is a company which is out of BC, Abbotsford, BC, and it's one of the only generators in market which offers a 5-year engine warranty. So they claim their generators have a sub-zero technology. So as we showed you just right now, it's minus 41 right now in Rocky Mountain House. We're just gonna test it out and let it run for like half an hour and see how successful it is and how true it is. So here we put it on start and we'll check it out if it does start or not. Let it warm up for a while. So it's nice, hot and ready for you to use it. So to prove you guys that we are actually in minus 40, minus 30 degree temperature, we're just gonna do this. As you can see, it was hot water. So that proves you that we are in actually minus 40 degrees Celsius or sub-zero temperature. As you can see, it's still running. So our demonstration was to prove you that it's a generator under $800, which works as a great way of power backup. Let's say if you're in Canada in these kind of temperatures, blackouts are very common. Take it out of your garage and it's good enough for you to at least run your furnace on it so that you can survive this cold temperature.